Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Geode Cutter is probably one of the most fascinating tools for rockhounds and crystal enthusiasts, promising a thrilling journey into the Earth's hidden treasures. With a Geode Cutter, you can unveil the mesmerizing crystals and vibrant colors concealed within these geological wonders, transforming a simple rock into a captivating display piece or a valuable addition to your collection. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a curious beginner, this video will guide you through the process of selecting and using a Geode Cutter, ensuring you get the most out of this exciting hobby. Number 5. National Geographic Jumbo Geodes. Get ready for an exciting adventure. This kit contains 5 jumbo geodes, each one a potential treasure trove of crystals waiting to be discovered. Carefully break open these geodes and marvel at the stunning crystals inside. It's a thrilling, hands-on science experience. These aren't just rocks, they're 100% natural geodes, offering a unique glimpse into the Earth's geological processes. Each one is different and beautiful. Use the included display stands to proudly showcase your crystalline treasures. A magnifying glass helps you examine every detail. The full-color learning guide explains the fascinating science behind geodes. It's education and entertainment combined. National Geographic is committed to providing high-quality educational toys. We stand behind our products and your satisfaction. What we like. It boasts 5 jumbo-sized geodes, promising extra-large crystals for an exciting reveal. Each geode is as big as a tennis ball. If you're looking for a thrilling, high-impact geode-breaking experience with impressive crystal displays, this is the kit for you. What people say. The kit included everything needed for a fantastic rock-breaking adventure, for rocks to smash and or chisel, clear instructions, protective glasses, and a magnifying glass to examine the treasures within. We were thrilled to discover 3 amazing geodes, each with beautiful, sparkling crystals inside. One of the 4 rocks turned out to be a solid piece of crystal, which, while smaller than the rest, was still a delightful surprise and not at all a deal-breaker. We used the chisel method for 2 of them and had to use the towel and smash method for the hard-to-open ones. The geodes are carefully selected to ensure high quality and diversity, providing a range of colors, textures, and crystal formations to explore. With the included safety goggles and instructions, breaking open the geodes becomes a fun and safe activity that the whole family can enjoy. Number 4. National Geographic Break Open Geodes. Get ready for an exciting adventure. This kit contains everything you need to unearth stunning crystal treasures. 10 premium geodes are ready to be cracked open. Each one holds a unique surprise inside. Prepare to be amazed by the variety of colors and formations. It's like discovering hidden gems. These aren't just ordinary rocks, they're real, natural geodes, varying in size and crystal content. Don't worry, safety goggles are included to protect your eyes during this thrilling experience. A 16-page, full-color learning guide explains the science behind geodes. It's education and entertainment combined. It's the ideal gift for young scientists and explorers. It sparks curiosity and a love for geology. 2 display stands are included so you can proudly showcase your amazing crystal discoveries. We're committed to providing high-quality, educational toys. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This kit offers an impressive 10 premium geodes, each with a unique crystal variety. You get more chances to discover beautiful crystals. If you value variety in learning, and want a more extensive collection, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The kit included everything needed for a fantastic rock-breaking adventure, for rocks to smash and or chisel, clear instructions, protective glasses, and a magnifying glass to examine the treasures within. We were thrilled to discover 3 amazing geodes, each with beautiful, sparkling crystals inside. One of the 4 rocks turned out to be a solid piece of crystal, which, while smaller than the rest, was still a delightful surprise and not at all a deal-breaker. We used the chisel method for 2 of them and had to use the towel and smash method for the hard-to-open ones. The geodes are carefully selected to ensure high quality and diversity, providing a range of colors, textures, and crystal formations to explore. With the included safety goggles and instructions, breaking open the geodes becomes a fun and safe activity that the whole family can enjoy. Number 3. National Geographic Rock Tumbler. Transform ordinary rocks into sparkling gemstones. It's easy and fun for all ages. This tumbler features a durable motor and a leak-proof barrel for years of quiet use. It's perfect for a STEM project. Everything you need is included: the tumbler, polishing grits, gemstones, and a learning guide. It makes a great gift. With simple instructions and one-touch settings, it's effortless to operate. Just set the timer and let it do its work. We are committed to providing the best hands-on science toys. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. It's not about breaking geodes, but creating your own gemstones. This kit provides everything needed to transform rough rocks into dazzling polished gemstones. If you are a geology enthusiast or like hands-on STEM activities, this is a great option. What people say. Almost no assembly, at all. Extremely easy to understand the directions. It's sturdy and doesn't seem like it will break. It has a handy feature where you can set it for up to 7 days and it'll tell you how many days are left, great for a kid. The package comes with step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow. The tumbler itself is super beginner-friendly, and you don't need any previous knowledge to operate one. The kit comes with starter powder for each cycle, a tumbler and stand, starter rocks, and cool stuff you can put your rocks in like keychains and necklaces. Number 2. National Geographic Mega Gemstone Dig Kit. Get ready for an exciting adventure. This kit lets you dig up 15 real gemstones and crystals, just like a real miner. Unearth amazing crystal treasures. It's a fun and educational activity that sparks exploration and discovery. You'll find pyrite, amethyst, tiger's eye, and many more. It's a unique toy that combines learning with fun. This kit has everything for hours of digging and learning: a dig brick, chisel, brush, and magnifying glass. It's a complete learning experience. The 16-page, full-color guide teaches you about gemstone formation, mining, and identification. It's a great way to learn about science. We make the highest quality hands-on science toys. If you have any problems, let us know, and we'll make it right. What we like. Unearth 15 real gemstones and crystals. It offers a hands-on, immersive experience of digging up your own treasures. If you enjoy the thrill of discovery and educational activities, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. The gems and crystals are beautiful and make for a nice collection. It comes with a book to learn about each one, which is awesome. The National Geographic Mega Gemstone Dig Kit is a fantastic way to spark curiosity and a love for geology in children. The kit comes with everything you need to dig up 15 real gemstones and crystals, offering hours of engaging, hands-on activity. Includes 15 real gemstones and crystals for a fun treasure hunt experience. Educational learning guide provides fascinating facts about each gem. Number 1. National Geographic Platinum Rock Polisher. Get ready to experience the thrill of rock polishing like never before. This kit is designed for both kids and adults, making it a perfect family activity. It boasts a large 2-pound barrel, 3 selectable speeds, and a timer with settings for days and hours, ensuring spectacular results with unparalleled ease. This rock tumbler is engineered with a sound-dampening cover, making it significantly quieter than other models. Enjoy the process without disturbing others. Everything you need is included: rough rocks, grit, jewelry fastenings, a strainer, and our exclusive gem foam for a brilliant finish. Just add water and get started. After the final tumbling stage, add gem foam and water for an incredible shine. It's reusable, so you can use it again and again. We are committed to providing the highest quality hands-on science toys. Your satisfaction is our priority. Let us know if you have any questions. What we like. This is the ultimate rock polisher, designed for professional level results with minimal noise. It includes gem foam for an extra brilliant shine. If you're looking for a quiet, high-quality polisher for indoor use, this is the one for you. What people say. It's not grumbly and annoying either, it's just white noise. The tumbler's performance seems good so far. I am running sea glass through it now. I like that it has a larger barrel. It's wider at least, which makes it easier to reach into and in my opinion allows the parts to tumble better because they have slightly more space to fall when they go round each turn. The settings are simple to understand and the display is nice and clear, letting you know exactly where you are in your process. Another cool feature is it will keep the current time saved in the event of a power outage, so you can just plug it back in and go. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.